Good morning student, welcome my channel Bhuloks Mathematics. Last class I have already discussed about some important MCQ from probability. Let us come and start some important problem from that chapter probability. Now I am working out the question number 20. Let x be a discrete random variable whose probability distribution, probability of x is equal to n, k whole into n plus 1 for n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2k n for n is equal to 5, 6, 7, 0 otherwise. Find the expectation Ex, expectation of that probability distribution. So how can you do it? So write down, let n is equal to 1, answer. When n is equal to 1, put here probability of x is equal to 1. We get put n is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 it is 2k. N is equal to 2. Probability of x is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 3k. N is equal to 3. Probability of x is equal to 3. 3 plus 1 4k. N is equal to 4. Probability of x is equal to 4. It is 4 plus 1. It is 5k. Again, for n is equal to 5, then probability of x is equal to 5 is equal to 5 means here it is put n is equal to 5. 5 into 2, it is 10k. N is equal to 6. Probability of x is equal to 6. 6 into 2, that is 12k. Again, n is equal to 7. Probability of x is equal to 7. We get 7 into 2, it is 14k. Okay. Now we have to make one table. Here it is x, here it is probability of x. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When 1, it is 2k. 3k. For 3, it is 4k. For 5, 4, it is 5k. Plus 5, it is 10k. For 6, it is 12k. Then for n is equal to 7, it is 14k. Okay? As it is a probability distribution, write down, as it is a probability distribution, as it is probability distribution function. So sum of the probability must be equal to 1. Sum of the probability is equal to 1. So 2k plus 3k plus 4k plus 5k plus 10k plus 12k plus 14k is equal to 1. 2 plus 3, 5. 5, 5, 10, 10, 10, 20, 20, it is 30, that is 50k. 50k is equal to 1, so k value is coming out 1 by 50. The value of k is coming out 1 by 50. But our aim is to find out the expectation, Ex. Ex is equal to summation of xi into pi. Okay. summation of xi into pi. Xi means 1 into 2k plus 2 into 3k plus 3 into 4k plus 4 into 5k plus 5 into 10k plus 6 into 12k plus 7 into 14k. This is the value of expectation. Expectation means summation of xi into pi. This into this plus 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 this into this. So now I am writing out the simplification. Okay. So here it is 2k plus 6k plus 12k plus 20k plus 50k 72k 84k. Okay, here it is 6 plus 2 8 20 40 90 90k plus 6. Okay, here it is 156 plus 90 6 246k. Okay, so now putting the value of 246, k value is coming out 1 by 50. Okay, after division the result is 5.2. 5.2. Okay, the result is 5.2, but here choice 5.2, 5.1, 5.3 and none. So the correct answer is 5.2. Okay, again you have to calculate 2 plus 6, 2 plus 6, 20, 20, 20, 40, 40, 50, 90, 150k. Okay, total 6, 9 plus 5, 4, it is 1, 2, 4, 6 into k value is 1 by 50. After simplifying, the result will be 5.2. So the expectation value is 5.2. This is the correct answer of the question. Okay, now let us take the question number 19. Write down question number 19. Question number 19, what is the value? If probability of A 3 by 10, probability of B 2 by 5, probability of A union B 3 by 5, then what is the value of probability of B conditional A plus probability of A conditional B? Write down question number 19. Probability of A given, it is 3 by 10. Probability of B given, it is 2 by 5. Probability of A union B given, that is 3 by 5. Okay, so we know one formula, probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Probability of A 3 by 10, here it is 2 by 5 minus probability of A intersection B, here it is 3 by 5. So after simplifying, probability of A intersection B, it is 10, 3 plus 4 minus 3 by 5. 7 by 10 minus 3 by 5. That is LCM 10. Here is 7 minus 6. That is 1 by 10. The value of probability of A intersection B is coming out 1 by 10. Now our aim is to find out probability of B conditional A first. Probability of A intersection B divided by probability of A. Here it is 1 by 10 divided by probability of A. It is 3 by 10. So the result is 1 by 3. Probability of A conditional B. Probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. It is 1 by 10. Probability of B is coming out 2 by 5. Here it is 1 by 10, 5 by 2. 5 into 2, that is 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 4. But our aim is to find out probability of A conditional B plus probability of B conditional A. Probability of A conditional B is coming out 1 by 4. Probability of B conditional A is coming out 1 by 3. So the LCM is 12. Here it is 3. Here it is 4. Okay. So the result is 7 by 12. So the correct answer is 7 by 12. 1 by 4, 1 by 3, 5 by 12, 7 by 12. So the correct answer is 7 by 12. Probability of B by A 1 by 10 divided by 3 by 10, it is 1 by 3. Probability of A conditional B, probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B, it is 1 by 10. Here it is 5 by 2. 5 into 2, it is 2. 2 into 2, that is 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3, LCM is 12. It is 3. Here it is 4. 7 by 12 is the correct answer of this question. Okay. Now we have to work out the question number 18. Bag 1 contains 3 red and 4 black balls, while another bag 2 contains 5 red and 6 black balls. One ball is drawn at random from one of the bag. It is found to be red. What is the probability that it was drawn from bag 2? It is come from the Bayes theorem. This is a very important question of Bayes theorem, which is very important so far your examination is concerned. Write down question number 18. Bag 1, bag 2. There are 2 bags. How can you do it? Write down the answer. Let E1 be the event of choosing bag 1. E2 be the event of choosing bag 2. Here it is bag 1. Here it is bag 2. In bag 1, how many red color ball? 3 red color ball. How many? 4 black ball. Okay? In bag 1. In bag 2, contain 5 red and 5 red and 6 black. 6 black ball. Okay? A is drawing. A, write down. A drawing red color ball. A, we have to choose it. Drawing of red colored ball. What is the probability of E1? Write down probability of E1 is equal to half. Probability of E2 is equal to half. Okay, there are two events, bag 1 and bag 2. So probability of E1 must be equal to 1 by 2. Probability of E2 must be equal to half. So now we have to find out probability of drawing red colored ball subject to condition it is drawn from bag 1 mathematics expression. Probability of drawing red colored ball subject to condition it is drawn from bag 1. So what is the probability? Total number of ball is 7, red ball is 3. So it is 3 by 7. 3 by 7. Total number of ball is 7, red number of balls is 3. Probability of drawing a red colored ball subject to condition it is drawn from bag 1. Next, probability of A by E2. Probability of drawing a red colored ball subject to condition it is drawn from bag 2. Total number of ball in bag 2 is 11. Red color ball is 5. So it is 5 by 11. 5 by 11. 5 by 11. So our aim is to find out probability that it was drawn from bag 2. So apply Bayes theorem. Probability of E2 conditional A. What is the formula? Probability of E2 into probability of A by E2 divided by probability of E1 into probability of A by E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A by E2. This is the Bayes theorem. Okay. So by using Bayes theorem, probability of E2 is 1 by 2. Here it is probability of A by E2, that is 5 by 11 divided by half into 3 by 7 plus half into 5 by 11. Okay, simplify 5 by 2 into 11, 20. Here it is simplify 3 by 14, 5 by 11 into 2, 20. So after simplification, if you solve, after simplification, the result is coming out 35 by 68. Simplify and you see, after simplification, the result, the answer will be 35 by 65. Okay, 35 by 65. But in our choice, 35 by 68, sorry, 68. 35 by 68, 1 by 68, 33 by 68, none. So the correct answer is 35 by 68. By using Bayes theorem, using Bayes theorem, very important theorem, Bayes theorem. Probability of E2 conditional A. Probability of E2 into probability of A by A conditional E2 divided by probability of E1, probability of A conditional E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A conditional E2. Putting the values 1 by 2 into 5 by 11, 1 by 2, 3 by 7 plus 1 by 2 into 5 by 11. After simplification, the result will be 35 by 68. So this is the question number 18. Now we have to discussing about the question number 17. How many times a man toss a fair coin so that the probability of having at least one head is more than 80%? It is also very important question. How many times you have to toss a coin so that the probability of getting at least one head is more than 80%. So it is a fair coin. So probability of getting head, write down question number 17. Probability of getting head. Probability of getting head. P is equal to 1 by 2. Q is equal to 1 minus P. That is 1 minus half. That is half. Okay. Probability of P is equal to half. Q is equal to 1 minus 2. 1 by 2. So that P plus Q is always 1. Okay. So N should be calculated. The minimum number of how many times, you have to find out the number of experiments. Probability having at least one. Probability of at least one means this. Okay. So this is greater than equal to more than 80%. 80% means 80 by 100 according to the question. Probability of x greater than equal to 1 is greater than equal to 80 by 100. 110 cancel. Probability of x greater than equal to 1 means 1 minus probability of x less than 1 is greater than equal to 8 by 10. Probability of x less than 1 means 1 minus 8 by 10 is greater than probability of x is equal to 0. This will go to this sides, this will go to this sides. So here it is 10 minus 8, that is 2 by 10 is greater than equal to probability of x is equal to 0. Applying the binomial distribution. NCR p to the power r q to the power n minus r. Formula. R is 0 here. R is equal to 0. It is a binomial distribution. N is not known. 2 is greater than 2 by 10 greater than equal to n not known 0. P is 1 by 2 to the power 0. Q is 1 by 2 to the power n. NC0 is 1. 1 by 2 to the power 0 is 1. 1 by 2. 2 by 10 is greater than equal to 1 by 2 to the power n. So it is 2 by 2 to the power n is greater than equal to 5. 2 to the power n is greater than equal to 5. For what value of n that it will be greater than 5? When n is equal to 1, 2 greater than equal to 5, which is not true. When n is equal to 2, then it is 4 greater than equal to 5. Impossible. So n must be 3. When n is equal to 3, then 6 is greater than equal to 5. Then n is equal to 4 must be greater than equal to 5. But minimum number. So when question is asking minimum, so we have to taking n is equal to 3. Okay, n is equal to 3. So what in our choice? It is 3, 6, 2, none. So the minimum number of times a coin tossed, so that the probability is more than 80%. So n is equal to 3. For n is equal to 3, then it is true. So answer will be 3. Okay. Now we have to discuss about the question number 16. If x has a binomial distribution b 4, 1 by 3, then what is the value of probability of x is equal to 1? What do it mean? Binomial distribution is represented as like this. B, it is BNP. BNP is equal to, BNP means B 4, 1 by 3. Comparing, n is equal to 4. N is equal to 4, P is equal to 1 by 3. Its meaning is like this. B and P, binomial distribution means number of trails. P the probability of success. In place of n it is 4, probability of success is 1 by 3. When P is 1 by 3, then Q can be found out 1 minus P. 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. P is coming out, Q is coming out, N is also coming out. Our aim is to find out probability of X is equal to 1. NCR, P to the power R, Q to the power N minus R. So in place of R is equal to 1. In place of N it is 4. 4 it is 1. P is 1 by 3 to the power 1. Q is 2 by 3 to the power 4 minus 1. 4C1 is always 4. Write down. It is 4. Here it is 1 by 3. Here it is 2 by 3 to the power 3. Okay. So now it will be 4. 1 by 3. 2 into 2 into 3 is 8. Here it is 3 into 3. It is 21. So 4 into 8, that is 32. 21 into 3, it is 81. So the correct answer is 32 by 81. Okay? 32 by 81, the correct answer. This is the binomial distribution, question number 16. This question is coming from binomial distribution. B of NP is equal to B of 4 by 4, 1 by 3 is given. N is equal to 4. P of the probability of success 1 by 3. When P is given, Q can already found out by 2 by 3. We know the probability distribution of binomial distribution NCR, P to the power R, Q to the power N minus R. N is 4, P is 1 by 3, Q is 2 by 3. So R is 1 here. After putting, the result is coming out 32 by 81. Thank you to all for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel, like my channel and share my channels.